What's up? This your boy Joe Bird, along with Cdogg.
What's up?
We ain't been out here in a while, been working, so today I finally had a day off. Today, project gonna be, I'm hosting my family reunion in Memphis this year, next week, matter of fact, for Labor Day weekend, so I had to order a new sound system, DJ equipment, so we finna hook it up right quick, so you're not gonna focus on the cars today. You know, I just popped up with a new whip, the 2021 Lincoln Nautilus, brand spanking new, ain't got about 100 miles on it. Has 56 when I bought it. But we're gonna focus on, we're gonna do another video on that. But today we're gonna focus on putting the sound system together. Man, Cdogg will get to it. So stay tuned. Back for Joe Bird, Cdogg, behind the camera. We're gonna start putting this on DJ system together. I just bought for the family in 2020. One, just family gonna be held in Memphis this year, but we're gonna put it together, see how it sounds, keep the sound, So listen, sit back and watch the crew, you know.
I got 2 minutes there trying to hold me back, boy, I'm trying to be great.
We're gonna go from there.
Yellow broke boy said got blue with me.
As of right now, we're busting everything. I'm kind of started before we record. I think push for time.
We up now, so they wanna eat with us. We ain't giving out no plate. I've been the realest nigga from the start. And that's your bro, why you leaving the star?
DJ speaker time.
Handing out blends. My friends can't tell them apart. I was encouraging you for me doubt, saying I never get us.
With the way it's looking now, got 4 highs and 2 subwoofers. With a total 8 highs and 2 subwoofers. It sound pretty good, got good ratings on it.
Yeah, that's my baby, had to buy a new bag. Went to Miami, I bought a new ass. Swallow my kid and she called me dad. Turn TT and I pat them rats.
We ain't gotta do no screwing like
2 minutes there trying to hold me back, boy, I'm trying to be great.
Together.
Yellow broke boy said got blue with me, tell him better raise his stakes.
I lied.
Say I don't need your money, I don't need your help. I'm good, I'm straight.
It's your house.
We up now, so they wanna eat with us. We ain't giving out no plate, so the shit you say. Got 2 minutes there trying to hold me back, boy, I'm trying to be great. Yellow broke boy said got blue with me, tell him better raise his stakes. Say I don't need your money, I don't need your help. I'm good, I'm straight. We up now, so they wanna eat with us. We ain't giving out no plate, so the shit you say is.
Okay. It's like a simple process. Okay. Pretty simple process right now.
Had to flip out me all the more. Say I'm on this, I get too far to fall. So I get a lot of money, it's all in the safe.
We don't record all the way through. We don't want to hold your time up, so we're going to do it piece by piece. So we got the towel, mount, we're going to mount all the 4 speakers together. Got all the cords that we need. Let's see, this ain't going to work. I might go to Amazon and order me.
It's on dripping too much, you missed the plan. It's on your girl, don't let me watch you playing my song.
Order me probably about 50 feet, 50 feet. Audio cord, quarter inch, male.
They say I take too many rich and what a state at.
Got all that right here.
You know where you stay at. I don't even know. But the boy think we gon' bust him. He told me nigga trust me, to speak I don't trust him, no.
First speaker. Hope I'm talking loud enough for y'all. Hope it up. I need to read the direction, but it looks pretty simple.
I cannot look back. Real recognize real when you see him, nigga.
Sorry, we've been gone for a while, like I said. Been working a lot of overtime, working every Saturday or something, so finally got a break. So now, I just took the day out with Cdogg. I ain't spent no time with him in a long time, because like I said, we've been working 6 days shift with my job since November of last year. So, had to get that money. Money come first on the plate. What's up, everybody? It's your boy Joe Bird again. He's back with Cdogg. We're gonna let him get in front of the camera and put some stuff together since we think he better than me on installing everything. So we finna gonna put this stuff together. We here chilling, watching the record. We'll see quarter. How this thing won't focus. Ain't gonna hold the focus dog or what? No, keep on hold the focus.
smiling in my face.
What you doing, dude? There we go. Yeah, we out here chilling, watching the Core. You know, Cdogg, big fan of Core, life with Core. You think you know every doggone thing. Is that what the name is? So we feel like I said, we put the sound system together, just to recap a little bit. That gonna be the bottom, so yeah, you doing right. Now you gotta do a preset everything. So when you stick it in there, just slide it down.
Oh, okay.
And it's a little slow, y'all.
Alright. That nigga name Santa.
Nah, just keep like it is. I don't think you know.
Y'all locked in.
Let a vet do it.
I'm chilling, bro. I was on
But yeah, been a long day. Trying to get some stuff taken care of for this family here, y'all. I know I'm at to push 12, 13 hours a day. Leading up to Wednesday, work off Thursday. Alright, hold on, go back up. Get all the way down. Yeah, slide out. There we go. It's set up well. You never gotta take the screws back out, just unloose them and slide them up. I hope this thing turned out pretty good. Got my niece Q50 Infinity. She done ran the brakes off me in my Continentals. Continentals can't keep up with it. My brother GTO 2005. They had an 04 model too, like this. Turn his light on. 400 horsepower, 6-speed. That's an 05 model. And they had the 04 model with the 350 horse 6-speed in it. Had the single pipes, but dual single side. So they traded, kept about a year, traded in, got this one. The head got some blow it on, so he's finna get the engine reworked on it. But you talking about something to run? I had the something going up. I mean, back in 2008, coming on Interstate 65, I run over a $165 easy. 6 gear, 55, I think 6,000 RPM. And the red line right at 65. So I still could get about 175 out of it, but I had to come up off of it. Coming up on the curve, man. If I would never came up off of it, I wouldn't be here talking to y'all right now. Something to run in this day, but eventually gonna go back and put a blower on it. And so give about 600 horsepower. So we're gonna try to find a spot to post this camera up. He got a glimpse of it right now. So I'm gonna have to find a spot to hold this camera so we can both knock this out again, kind of nighttime like that now. So I'm gonna shut it down for a quick second. house. And we're gonna go to the house and get the other system tied into this one, see how it's gonna work. Cause we can joint system at the same time. So. Hold it, Tim.
Hey, it's alright.
Really? Oh shit.
What you get? Gotta flip it.
It's your boy Joe Bird. We back here. We finished our project up. Got the speaker working. Got the sound system pumping and everything. So you heard it. Cdogg in there working some stuff on the computer, doing his magic. You know, heard. So we got everything ready pretty much for the family union, and that's pretty much about it. But I came outside because you still got the music playing. But I think the sound system's gonna be pretty good. The only thing I'm worried about is just hoping it don't overheat out in the heat. So I had to find a way to keep it cool down so the amplifier won't, double down on us. But Joe Bird Cdogg, we up out of here. We hope y'all enjoyed this video. It's been a while, so we kind of rushed again back into it, you know what I'm saying? But we're gonna shoot y'all more videos. Like I said, I'm gonna do another video that the 2021 Nautilus. I'm about to throw some wheels on it. The wheels supposed to come in Tuesday. So I think Cdogg and his pawpaw gonna ride up there and go get the wheels for me. Cause I have to work, so I ain't gonna be able to do it. And they supposed to came in today, which is Saturday. They supposed to came in today, but the truck didn't come in, so that's another video we weren't able to do. But hopefully Cdogg going up there with his daddy, you know, get that taken care of. And I'm gonna do the before and after shots and stuff, so I won't be there while they installing the wheels. So, and then I gotta get my tires rotated on the 2020 Continental, Lincoln Continental. So, about to hit the road, hit the Memphis, and next week we're on YouTube from the family reunion, the 2021 Johnson family reunion. So we're gonna YouTube from that with that. So we got a couple more videos supposed to be coming. Y'all stay tuned. You know, go to our YouTube channel, which you already know, Life of Joe Bird Cdogg. Hit like, hit subscribe, tell some folks, tell some folks, tell some folks, so we can get on up out of here. You know what I'm saying? So we're gonna do a bit like Life of Corey and CJ on 32s and all them cats. You know what I'm saying? And balling on the budget, YouTube on the budget. My bad, but you know, like I said, I'm up out of here. We'll holler.
That's all, folks.